Here we go again. We are just recovering from the last GPU shortage thanks to crypto miners sucking up all the GPU cards for mining crypto and from the shortages that were brought to us thanks to the pandemic from, the last few years. We were just starting to see GPU prices come down. We had started to see inventory start to pick back up. Look at this right now. Mamma mia. Let's take a look at this article. NVIDIA GPUs see massive price hike and huge demand from AI. Oh, this is an article out of Digital Trends. So let's take a look at this article and let's see what's going on. It feels like we've only just emerged from the debilitating graphics card shortage of the last few years, but a new report suggests we can't breathe easy just yet. Could a new GPU shortage be on the horizon, or are consumers safe from a return to another nightmare scenario? According to DigiTimes, NVIDIA is seeing a huge surge in demand for its chips due to the explosion in artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT. Right, we all are aware of what's been going on with ChatGPT. ChatGPT started off in late last year and then just hit the mother load starting in January and February, and now it's everywhere. All the major companies are jumping on this AI train, wanting to create their own chatbots. NVIDIA offers a range of graphics cards that excel at AI tasks, including the A100 and the H100. I'll get into a little bit more of those a little bit later. And the company is reportedly struggling to keep up in wake of such massive demand. NVIDIA is especially feeling the strain in China, where the company is selling modified versions of the A100 and H100 in order to bypass US sanctions, because AI-capable chips are currently so hard to come by in the Chinese market. NVIDIA's modified chips called the A800 and H800 are absolutely flying off the shelves. This has caused NVIDIA to increase the price by up to 40% above MSRP, leaving the A800 selling for as much as $36,500. Even the NVIDIA V100, a card that launched in 2018, is priced as high as $10,000. So we remember when those GPU prices, these are different GPUs, more, like I said, these are more towards computing and more higher end. But we remember when the GPUs got ridiculous amounts of prices back during the pandemic and during the shortage. I mean, you couldn't find anything. The prices were through the roof. We were starting to get a reprieve from that, but it looks like we may not be able to breathe. NVIDIA is apparently aiming to serve its non-Chinese customers first, which has led to lengthy delays in getting an AI-focused GPU in China. Wait times have reportedly increased to as much as 6 months. 6 months from the point of ordering. Are we heading for another shortage here? Crypto. This is a picture here. You can see a cryptocurrency miner attached to a laptop. You might be wondering how that will be a problem for consumers. After all, NVIDIA's AI graphics cards are very different from its gaming GPUs. It's not like AI companies are going to be snapping up shed loads of RTX 490. Surely that means that ChatGPT won't cause another shortage, right? Well, AI is booming right now, and it is clearly a priority area for NVIDIA. The risk is not the companies will buy up every single gaming GPU, but NVIDIA decides to allocate more resources towards high-end business GPUs. I have some more financial data that may back that up as well. The type that shines when it comes to AI workloads at the expense of consumer graphics cards. If that comes to pass, it might become much harder to get your hands on a GPU. That doesn't appear to be happening just yet, but it may not be something that can be entirely ruled out in the future. While the cryptocurrency boom that fueled the last GPU shortage appears to be over, at least for now, just wait. We have the Bitcoin happening in the year 2024. Right now, we're still in the bear market, but once that bull market starts up, prepare for those GPUs to go flying off the shelves again. In fact, many former crypto miners are apparently pivoting to AI in a bid to remain profitable. So, switch over here. So this is from NVIDIA. This is from their investor relations. NVIDIA announced its financial results for first quarter fiscal 2024, and they break it down into different market segments that they are into: data center, gaming, professional visualization, and automotive. Obviously, I want to focus on the first two here, data center and gaming. Let's take a look at these numbers real quick. First quarter revenue was a record $4.28 billion, up 14% from a year ago and up 18% from the previous quarter. And notice here, well, some of the things that's outlined. Expanded its partners offering new products and services based on the NVIDIA H100 Tensor Core GPU. That's the one that's used for a lot of API that we just read in the other article. So they increased that, and that helped them fuel 14% record growth. Let's take a look at the gaming sector. First quarter revenue was 2.24 billion, down 38% from a year ago. It was up from the previous quarter, but still, year over year is down 38%. Obviously, this is where they make the GeForce RTX 4070s, 4080s, 4090s chips. So this one is up, this one is down. Where do you think NVIDIA is going to focus their attention on? It only makes sense that you're going to start focusing more on your 100 chips that are used for AI as compared to your gaming chips. It just only makes sense. I can't say with an affirmation that a GPU shortage is coming, but all I can tell you is follow the money. And that is everything I have for you in this article. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Do you think we're going to hit another GPU shortage? And what will that look like this time around? And I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you are new to this channel, please do me a huge favor. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and drop a like as well. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, head over to the website at soundsnerdy.com, where I curate tech news from around the web covering Apple, Samsung, Google, Android, computing, and even more general tech news. All at my website at soundsnerdy.com in one convenient location. And until the next video, guys, stay nerdy.